girl Mila B, and welcome back to another video. So this is just a life update video, y'all. I know I've been not on top of things when it comes to me posting. I know your girl's been slacking, but the reason why is because I am about to drop merchandise. Yes, you heard that right. I am dropping a merchandise line. It's hashtag BeeDrippy. It's dope. It's a universal line for both men, women, kids. It is like athleisure, so you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can work out in it. You can just make it your own, and I am so happy. I've been working really hard on all of the pieces, getting people's opinions, and I even did my very own photo shoot. Yeah, your girl, Mila B, did a photo shoot. That video, be on the lookout for that video because that is coming soon too, and how you can do your own photo shoot. But yes, this project has been a long time coming. I've been saying how I've always wanted merchandise, always, and now it's here. The logo is dope. I tested the logo out and sent it to some friends to get their opinions on it before I started printing it. I've been working with a friend of mine who does screen printing on t-shirts. So we've been working together, and the time has come to drop it. Yes, the time has come to drop it. So that's been taking a lot of my attention, a lot of work on the back end with inventory, ordering shirts. Y'all, you guys are coming along to my journey because I have a plethora of videos for you as far as where to buy your shirts from, who's cheaper, who's better, because I have done it, the type of fabric that's better for the type of shirts you want, like the material of the shirt, if it's soft style or dry blend, those type of knowledgeable facts for you I am coming to you guys with. But yeah, I just really wanted to update you guys and express to you guys that's why your girl just has been on the tube lately. So yeah, you guys are coming along on my journey. I'm so excited to see where this line goes. I want everything. I want leggings. I want long sleeve shirts. I want sweatshirts, hoodies. I want it all. Boxer, like girl boxers, pajamas, mugs. I want everyone to be dripped out. And my merchandise. That is a goal, but right now I have shirts. I am working on the next thing I'm going to drop, which I'm not going to tell you because it's a secret. It is a secret. But yes, that's where I've been. I have been dedicating my time, energy, and effort all into that, to making sure everything is a go. Like I said, I will be providing you guys with the information and the knowledge that I have learned over the course of this journey. So stay tuned for those videos. But yes, my merchandise line will be available on Etsy. Definitely check it out. The link will be down there in the bio. It drops June 21, 2021. So yeah, I'm super excited. I will be recording videos on how I package my things and ship it off, the scale I bought, the label printer. I'm giving you all the details, so just follow me, click that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out. I'm dropping gems. So with that being said, you guys are to do like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye.